Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It has been a long time I did not update my channel. So, how are you feeling today? Is that everything good? Well, I have a wonderful life. So let's start our video. So in today's video, I'm gonna talk about how to mark zone, how to do mapping, and how to do entry. Okay? So first of all, we have to open bigger time frame, let's say daily or weekly. Let's start from weekly. So in weekly chart, what we can observe, what we can see. So first of all is we see a triple top, something like triple top. What does this mean? So triple top, actually we can see this is the price that failed to break up to form higher high for twice. Okay? So second thing that we can observe, the price do break down lower low. And this actually is a QM pattern where the price break out higher high and then break down lower low. And when the price come back to the top, we're able to sell, correct? This is a QM pattern. The third thing, we can use trend line to understand the power of the movement of gold going up. Okay, in weekly chart, you can draw a trend line and then we can observe the price is not that strong anymore. The price going up, the power going up is not that strong anymore because the price break down the trend line. Okay guys, now we change to lower time frame, daily. Okay, daily. Now, as we know, we want to find a sell, correct? Now, in daily, we can also draw a trend line connecting 2 points, and then we can see this gonna be the third point. This gonna be the third point. Let's us do a revision first about the signal that I give, okay, last week. So actually we can see a zone here. This is a sell zone where a red candle engulf a green candle. Correct? So this is a daily sell zone. So the zone is too big. Okay, we only mark at the candle that being engulfed, this green candle. Now the zone is too big. We cut the zone into half and then we give some more space. Okay, this is gonna be the sell zone. So in my theory, golden rules, 3 golden rules, the third point of trend line here gonna have a high impact. The price gonna impact and then drop to form a lower low. Okay, high possibility. I cannot confirm, but this is high possibility. Okay, this is how I can confidently give a sell last week. Okay. Okay, so when we have the direction we want to find sell, then we don't look for buy. Okay, simple. Now, second thing is about zone. How to do mapping, how to draw zone. Okay, to draw zone, you need to understand what is engulfing candle. Okay, this is one of the example. We draw the zone. Now, the price is in the middle. It's in the middle. We want to find a sell zone above here and a buy zone below here. So how to mark it? You're using daily chart. We mark only the candle being engulfed. Okay, I cancel the middle one first. Okay, the candle being engulfed will be this green candle. Okay, this green candle. This green candle, okay? And then the zone is too big. We cut the zone into half. And then give some space. Got it? And then we want to find the buy zone. Same thing, we only draw at the candle that being engulfed. This is engulfing theory. And then the zone is big, we cut the zone into half. And then we give some more space. Okay? And then now we mark the zone. We use this light blue for our sell zone. And we will use dark blue for our buy zone. Okay, change the color into dark blue. Okay, done. And then we want a smaller zone. We want to minimize the zone into hash 4. Okay, change to lower time frame hash 4. And using engulfing theory again, the price will be from here, the engulfing candle from here to the top. Okay, we cut the zone into half. Cut into half and then give some space. Okay. Okay. For the buy zone of H4, okay, it's exactly the same. This is the candle that being engulfed. And then cut the zone into half, give some space, exactly the same. Okay, these are the buy zone and sell zone. Okay. Okay, as we can see here, we have one more sell zone, but the price already come to take the zone here in H4. Okay, we will have one more zone here. The price haven't come to take. You can draw the zone too. Okay, this is the place where the candle being engulfed. Okay, and then we cut the zone into half and give some more space. Okay, something like this. And then we're using dark blue again for the buy zone. Okay, to make it more clear, we change to the another color. Okay, these are the buy zone and sell zone. Okay, simple. And then what we can do and how do we do entry after zone we want to entry, correct? How to entry? We're using filter and confirmation, or filter or confirmation. It's up to you. Okay, when the price touch the sell zone, what can you do? You just wait for confirmation or filter. For me, you just use my way. Okay, my way, you wait for minimum of H1 or H4 time frame, not lower than H1. Okay, H1 or H4. You wait for bearish engulfing. Okay, you wait for lower high bearish engulfing, then will be the green light for you to entry sell. And your SL should be above the highest high 10 to 20 pips. Okay, 10 to 20 pips. If you have bigger margin, you can go for 30 pips. Okay, 10 to 30 pips. Okay, if the price touch our buy zone, you can wait for H1 or H4 time frame higher low bullish engulfing, then will be the green light to buy. Your SL should be at the lowest low 10 to 30 pips away from the lowest low. Okay, your SL. Okay, very simple. Only something like that. This is gonna be the buy zone and the sell zone. Okay, now going into deeper, we want to take some setup from here. Is that possible? Actually, yes, because we have the trend line and we know the price going down, correct? We want to sell. So how to sell? We want a reason to sell. We have to find setup. We want to find zone. So in H4, this zone already being taken. The price come and take the zone and then drop. Okay. The price reject. And here we can see the price reject this zone. Reject the sell zone and reject the buy zone. So the price trapped in the middle. So in this special case, we have to change to lower time frame to look more carefully where should be the direction. Okay, we change to H1. So when we change to H1, we can see very clear this is a QM pattern. The price break down lower low and then the price break up higher high. But because of the QM pattern, QM buy pattern is in the daily sell zone, we cannot buy. Okay, we cannot buy. We in the trend line and we cannot buy. This is the third point. If you entry buy here, the price directly boom, you're gonna hit SL. Okay, so you know the bigger direction is going down. We want to sell, you don't buy. Okay, now in H1 we can see this is a QM buy, but the QM buy fell because the seller power is super strong. Breakdown with candle body. Okay, meaning QM buy fell, and when the price come back to retrace and no, okay, let me repeat. The QM buy fell, okay, and then break down with candle body. So when the price come back retrace, we able to sell directly because of the super strong sell power. Okay, if you want to sell, where should be the place for we to sell? We want a zone. So zone, we try to find H4 zone, but this is not a good H4 zone. We're gonna use H1. So we use H1, we mark the engulfing sell zone. We only mark the zone at the candle that being engulfed. So gonna be this green candle. The zone is big, we cut the zone into half, and then we give some more space. Okay, easy to understand. Then we mark the zone using rectangle. Okay, for sell, I'm gonna mark the zone using light blue. Light blue. Okay? Okay. And most of the time, the price, because of the super strong seller, sometimes the price can come to take the support become resistant here or maybe here, and then the price directly dropped very hard. So in order we don't miss the trade, we need to find one more zone at below here, somewhere around here. Okay, now we change to lower time frame. Let's see we can find any supply sell zone. So M30 we cannot see anything, M15 nothing there, M5, yes, M5 we can find a supply sell zone. This gonna be the candle that being engulfed, so just mark the zone. Okay guys, simple. After we mark, we want to check, is this a good zone? We change to bigger time frame, H4. Okay, I use H4 as my main time frame. Okay, in H4, this is a green candle. We can predict the price can break down with candle body, and this gonna be a good engulfing candle. Break down, and then this is the candle that being engulfed. We cut the zone into half and give some space. This is a perfect zone. Okay. And if we look carefully, this is a green candle that being engulfed by a red candle. This is an engulfing sell. And engulfing sell, we mark the zone from the top to the bottom. Okay, we mark only at the candle being engulfed. Okay, I repeat again. And then we cut the zone into half and give some space. Okay, the zone is about exactly the same as the zone that we find in M5. And okay, so this is a good zone that we can use to sell. Okay, just mark the zone with light blue. Okay, done. Okay, done. Very simple. Okay, that's it. Sorry, I make it clear. Okay guys, okay, simple, done. This is the mapping, and these are the zone that we can find. Okay, mapping zone. Okay, mapping actually is the direction. The second thing is about the zone. So these are the zone. So the third thing is about entry. So how to entry, I already tell you. The best way that you can use is higher low bullish engulfing, we buy. Lower high bearish engulfing, we sell. And then where should be the SL? You can set at the highest high 10 to 30 pips, or lowest low 10 to 30 pips. Okay, after you see the confirmation, meaning that will be the green light for you to entry, you can wait for retracement before you entry. You can wait for smaller SL. That all is up to you. Okay, so same thing happen here. When we want to entry, if you are confident, or you with bigger margin account, you can entry directly, because this is the presence of the super strong seller. When the price touch the zone, you sell directly, you can take some profit. If you want lower risk, you wait for confirmation. Okay, confirmation, you wait for H1, you wait until the price give a green candle and give a red candle again, will be lower high, bearish engulfing, and this is the green light for you to sell. Your SL should be, you set the as they are at the highest high here, after the confirmation, highest high here, 10 to 30 pips away from the highest high. Okay, somewhere around here will be your SL. Simple. Three things: mapping, zone, entry. Okay, so last thing, the most important key point that you must remember, if you want to find zone, make sure you find a zone in weekly, daily, or H4 only. Okay, some special case, just like the setup here, we find in H1, M5, this is special case because we know that is the presence of super strong seller. So if you want to follow the power, we have to find the zone. Okay, this is how you want to go in rush to find a zone. If you don't want, you can wait until the price drop and give you a bearish engulfing in H4, then will be a good zone for you to sell. You can wait until you see H4. Okay, until you see H4 zone. Okay, for me, if you want to become a profitable trader, you have to wait to mark your zone in weekly, daily, and H4 time frame only. Unless you are professional, you understand the situation, you understand the case, you understand the power of the buyer and seller, then you can do like me to mark the zone in H1 and M5, even M5. Okay, if you don't, you just wait until you see minimum of H4 time frame give you the zone. Okay, let me repeat again. Mark zone minimum is H4 daily and weekly. No more zone below H4. This is the best way for you. Okay, and then second thing, if you want to do entry, you have to use minimum of H1 and H4. Wait until you see the confirmation that I talked just now. If you want to buy, higher low bullish engulfing. If you want to sell, lower high bearish engulfing. Minimum of H1 and H4 time frame. If there is present a super volatile market, high impact news, you can use M15. Okay, is that clear? Simple, okay? Well, that's it for today. See you on the next video.